Try to make a funny and then.
Super Nintendo World is opening in Universal Studios Hollywood in 2023. Oh, we saw the one in
Yeah,
Japan.
the one in
It was
Japan.
so cool looking.
What is this?
It's like a theme park.
Oh, cool.
It is a theme park. It's not
Right,
like
yeah.
a theme park. It is a theme park. It opened in Japan. It was delayed because of COVID. It was a disaster. But people were kind of trying to get spy looks of it.
Yes.
And so they would
Flying
be like
drones.
or across on a bridge, or they try to get to a high point and get their camera in there. And it looked like a video game because everything is cartoonish, like every element of the world. So you would see a video clip from far away, and it just looks like Super Nintendo is happening, except in the in life.
Is this it?
Yes.
This is the render.
Oh my God, you weren't kidding.
So it's
that looks
very
like a video
vibrant.
game. Oh, this is a render though.
Yeah, but it would look like
No,
this.
he can find Will can find a good clip if you want it.
I do want it.
How badly?
Pretty bad. I want to see this. Well, I love Mario. I'm
Yeah.
a big Nintendo guy. So
Big
this
big
is,
Mario guy.
You
right?
could catch me here.
Oh, really? Yeah, click
Yeah.
on that one. Well, this is just a picture, but from an aerial photo.
What
Where
am
is
I?
Which one is he? Oh, that one.
Where
The
you were?
Verge,
Yeah,
right
go
there.
ahead. Click on it.
Yeah, that's real life.
Whoa.
Yeah. It's better when the stuff is moving around if you can get a short video clip.
That's sick. So you just
Can you get a short video clip, Will? Or are you worried about copyright or something?
Maybe this one.
Just
No,
as long,
not
just scrub
Nintendo.
it. Just scrub it, I guess.
Spoiler warning.
Oh, God. Okay, maybe don't. I don't know. Okay, you're spoiling it now. Maybe get out of here.
That's okay.
I was thinking more when the original story broke, it was just kind of spy video where you could see it running and them doing their testing of their different attractions. I'm not really looking for somebody walking through the venue because then that does spoil it big time. But I guess it's a huge content
It is. Yeah.
category now because we were doing the phone that video at the back there, the recent video, and then I'm seeing the Jurassic Park ride, and I'm like, wait, doesn't that spoil it for the person that goes on the ride?
Right. I remember we were talking about this.
And I'm kind of like, I don't know. I guess you can watch it and just get more excited and go, but so much of it is about surprise.
Yeah.
So I don't know. But anyway, I guess they're going to open one closer than Japan, which might work out for you, Mo. The immersive land will be a visual spectacle of vibrant colors and architectural ingenuity located within a newly expanded area of the theme park, featuring a groundbreaking ride and interactive areas to be enjoyed by the whole family. Themed shopping and dining will enhance the experience. Oh, you can get the Super Mario food as well, Mo.
What do you think their food is?
Yeah, exactly. What is it? They don't have any
Mushrooms?
food in that universe.
No, they got the mushrooms, right? The evil mushrooms things.
So what? It would be
And they have turtles as well.
you eat the turtles?
I'm just naming characters in the
Oh, I mean, they got to do it's got to be like pizza and burgers.
Of
They got
course,
to find a
kids.
way to do it that way.
Pizza, pop, and chips, never leaving.
From being able to play real life Mario Kart to playing live action Mario video game courses, there appears to be something for everyone. When it opened in Japan, they had large crowds. Super Nintendo was able to open with great success. It's interesting that it's Super Nintendo World and not Nintendo World. Anyway, it's currently under construction at Universal Studios Orlando. All right, you just got to go to Orlando. Well, that's not really that big of a deal. I
Okay.
feel like you can get there.
All right.
Smart Excavator can be operated using simple video game motion controls. So you don't even need to sit in it. Speaking of, not quite autonomous, but remote at least. Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
It's movement based. Ooh.
Oh, so you become the claw.
You are the claw. This is like a villain in some movie,
Yeah.
some Spider-Man in the future.
Wow, this is really cool tech.
You could do this, Mo.
This is fun.
I could be that guy.
All of a sudden now, as fun as operating heavy machinery looks, complex machines like excavators require a trained or skilled operator to get the job done quickly and safely. But as the pool of trained operators continues to retire and diminish, the future of construction might be machinery upgraded with robotic smarts so they're as easy to operate as playing a video game.
Wow.
It's a motion control similar, I guess, to like a. Well, they were referencing a Nintendo Wii, but a lot of VR games have motion controls like this now. But yeah, you can drive it. You can use the claw. I guess driving, you could just walk. Wireless joystick harness. This one's cool. That's like flying a jet. In this case, the remote aspect, I wonder when that becomes important. Like you could be in maybe a delicate environment. You wouldn't want to put a person as well.
Right. I was thinking rescue missions.
Okay.
Like if somebody fell in a cave.
Well, I don't know if you ever really rescue with the claw.
No. I wouldn't use this exact, but I'm saying they can apply this technology.
The claw is here to save you.
Rips off a leg. Like, oh my goodness.
Embrace the claw. It is your savior. I'm scared of claw.
Okay.
No. And I'm saying if you were digging where there used to be a gas station or something.
Right.
A potential
or toxic
explosive
radioactive
or material, you can send one of these in to go and dig and look at what's under the surface. Or man, not to get too dark, but like landmines and stuff. When you have something that previously used to be a war zone. Ooh.
Yeah, when I was at Vimy Ridge, they had fences blocking off areas, and there's still active landmines here.
Good Lord.
So don't go.
I thought they'd try to get rid of landmines as far as warfare. They're like,
they got rid of a lot of
They're like, we don't do that anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw a clip in Ukraine. This guy from Ukraine was just holding a mine and just putting it off the road.
Oof.
And he had a cigarette too. It was
Perfect.
really, I don't know if it's real or fake, but it was just so nonchalant. This guy was just like a random evening.
What ends up happening in these places is it just becomes a part of life. It becomes normal to people. This idea of tanks being around, and I'm not saying it's normal yet, but you hear of people that have been in these environments like
you become desensitized.
My grandfather, for example, it's like, oh, and then my brother picked up a grenade he found, and I'm just like, oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
Holy cow.
It's like you're experiencing him holding the grenade.
No,
right
it's just I think obviously whenever there's those personal terms that you can reflect on, or someone can tell a personal story about an exposure, it just changes. That's why yesterday we were talking about Lex Friedman looking for people actually in Ukraine and Russia and trying to have conversations with them. It just adds so much texture to it and ability to feel it more properly, or more the weight of it more substantially.
Yeah, I would imagine this thing, if it's treated like a video game, it would actually be easy to control. Like if a gamer would get a hold of this, maybe they would do their job even better.
Right.
Because they're just so used to, I don't know, VR controls.
Sure. Yeah. Like
drone pilots right now.
The training would be more intuitive.
Yeah.
And maybe even the machinery would change shape eventually if the controls were different. You could make a smaller piece of machinery without needing to have a seat on it even.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1 in a million 5-legged lamb born at Northumberland Farm. 5 legs on the lamb.
Yes.
1 in a million, born on 22/2/22. In a twist of fate, the lamb, who is yet to be given a name, was born in a set of triplets. So it's a set of triplets, and then one lamb in with the triplets has 5 legs.
Wow.
That is super rare. I bet a lot of people are going to come check this out now. They're going to go to the farm. So it's like just describing it for people listening. The leg is sort of in the shoulder section. The extra leg is in the shoulder area of the little lamb. Cute little lamb here.
Yeah. Very cute.
It is very cute.
Cute little lamb here. Scroll to the end for more. It's interesting that everybody got dogs than they could have got lambs.
Yeah.
Hey?
I feel like
Like a lamb is pretty cute. It does have.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, it probably doesn't really want to be indoors. Like I think the lamb likes to be outdoors.
Right.
But
I don't know how much a lamb is
the
gonna
dog
protect you,
likes to
though.
be outdoors. Yeah, protection. Have you seen the type of dogs people got going on?
Okay, yeah.
It's not about protection anymore. And I'm sure some people got lambs. You know, pet pigs is a thing.
Yeah, huge thing.
You get the small pig.
They're smart.
Yeah.
You get the is there a name for it, that type of pig? I can't even remember now. A pet pig is like a
I want to say piglet.
no, piglet's just a baby pig.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, man. People trying to get people really like the pets.
They're cute.
They like the pets. Like, Will, I bet you could you could go on Kijiji. I bet you right now there's pigs for sale. Oh yeah,
Juliana.
teacup pigs.
Oh, teacup.
Oh, teacup pigs, yeah.
They're really small.
Juliana pig. Potbelly pigs that are tiny in size. Oh God, that's terrifying.
Huh? What? The picture?
Malnutrition and are often falsely advertised as miniature. They're just starved.
Oh, no.
Yeah, well, who governs these things?
Yeah, I don't know.
Who overlooks these things? Mo.
That's unfortunate.
It's also I mean, that's a pig right there. You know what else is crazy is like that you got wild pigs and they survive, man.
Right, yeah.
You got wild pigs out there.
They grow horns.
Like, let's get a look at a wild pig compared
Like a hog?
to a pet. Like, it's a range to it, right? You got that little cute little piglet, and then you got this guy. And this guy,
Not horns. Sorry, they have tusks.
this guy,
That's a scary looking thing.
which guy? Top right?
Yeah, with the tusk.
You want to see the tusk on it? Mo, you run into a group of these?
I'm running.
Ooh. It's crazy how furry they get in the wild versus domesticated.
Right. And it looks lean.
Oh,
Looks like he could
baby.
pick up some speed there.
Oh, baby. For sure. No messing around. Yeah, they get the tusk going. It's crazy.
Still with the nose, though. Still with the classic
Yeah, still
nose.
with the nose. Still with the classic.
Classic nose.
Yeah, they still got the classic. But anyway, you guys tell me, if you had to have a pet that wasn't a dog or a cat, what would it be? Go ahead, Will.
Maybe low maintenance.
A fish or a lizard or something?
I
go with
always
snake.
wanted an aquarium
Aquarium?
Mm.
Yeah, that's
with
relaxing.
basic fish.
That's relaxing.
Yeah.
The water.
With the water filter
yeah.
running.
Yeah. Kind of want one of those right now.
We can get an aquarium.
No,
in here.
it's there is maintenance to it. He says
There
no
is,
maintenance. It's maintenance to it. Everybody I've ever known
Minimal.
who had an aquarium, they're like, I got to check on the aquarium.
Well, Dave 2D, right? He's got an aquarium.
But I don't know. I never asked him about his aquarium. I'm going to ask him. But
Okay.
there are just people I've known in the past. When I was growing up, they're like, I got to go home and check on the aquarium. I'm
We
like,
got to
"What
get
are
Dave back on
Like,
the show.
what are you
then.
checking on? But they got to, I don't know. There's some maintenance to it. You
Yeah.
can't just leave it.
Yeah.
But you're right. I mean, it's not to the extent of Otis. Like this guy, that's high maintenance over there. Look at him over
Too
there.
much.
Look at him
Hey.
over there. You don't even know.
Hey.
You don't even know what he's doing.
Come over here.
He's just roaming
do that.
around.
Yeah. And he's
Don't
like,
destroy things.
He's like, I do whatever I want over here. I'm high maintenance. So do you go for pig or lamb?
Me?
You get a pig or a lamb as a pet.
I'm going to go lamb.
Wow.
I'll go with pig.
Interesting.
I'll
All
go with
we've,
pig.
Well, we've figured everything out here today.
They're fine.
Some people get into the dangerous pets. They would have like a
Like snakes.
leopard or something.
Oh, you mean, okay, yeah. Yeah, some people really get
Oh
into
my
that.
God.
Scary.
Oh my God. The way those move about.
Yeah.
All right, last one.
Speaking of pets, baby girl tries to convince a giant husky to go for a walk, and it is the cutest event ever of all time.
Okay.
Go ahead, Will. Is this clip licensed to some giant media company?
No.
Oh.
Life with Malamutes.
Oh,
the
okay.
channel.
So we can just shout them out. Go check it out. So do we get volume here?
Yeah,
You
there's
gonna give us volume too?
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's just a cute little girl that's walking her giant husky or Malamute. and just around the
Oh,
house.
yeah, she says,
It's just
"Come
very,
on."
very nice.
We're
Come
going on a
on.
walk.
And the Malamute is letting her, you know,
If I stay behind
just
you,
walking
he won't
with her.
fall so much. You tell him.
Oh, it's cute when she's talking to him.
You know what?
Which way you going, down there?
Very calm dog.
Okay.
Very calm.
Very calm.
Malamutes are calm.
Very calm dog.
Okay. You haven't
Just
quite
enjoying
stopped,
the
though, so
walk.
be careful.
I like this atmosphere. I mean, you gotta have
I'm
a
with you.
ton. You have to have a ton of
Hold it
trust
here
in the
as well.
dog
Hold it with 2 hands.
Yeah.
to not just drag the 2-year-old. But the dog at this point is a little bit older and very calm,
And she's learning as well.
and
How to-
it appears
Where
to
do you want
not be
Teddy
an
to go?
issue.
Yeah.
Like, what if the dog saw a rabbit right now or something?
And started booking it.
But they must know the dog well enough at this
Snow's
point.
all gone, I know. It will come back tonight. When we're sleeping, snow will come. We've got a severe weather warning.
Look at the
for tonight.
concern. Snow's gone. What's going on here? Snow's gone. Yeah, well, look, man. Look at the end of the title. You know, go for a walk! Exclamation, and then brackets.
Of course.
Cutest ever.
ever.
2 exclamation points,
It's not wrong.
and
Wait, please.
they've delivered on that.
There we go.
Which way
Absolutely
should we go now?
cutest ever. Good
This way?
job, Malamute, on the calm factor.
Yeah.
Taking care of your.
Oh.
I feel like that dog, by the way, would probably just doesn't even really need a leash. I'm not gonna
No,
lie.
yeah, he's just roaming around.
Pretty chill, regardless. But nonetheless, this is February 6, 2022. So there's a little glimpse into a spot on Earth where a 2-year-old and a Malamute, they've got a bond going on, and there's plenty of bonds out there, and we don't want to forget that as we get bombarded by stories and segments and information. Still bonds out there, Mo. Looking at you, Mo.
Yeah.
You got some bonds?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna talk about stocks and bonds, right?
Okay. Well, then you know I got that for sure.
Talking about real
Financial advice. Oh God.
Mo got the last word today. Damn.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
thanks everybody for joining. Thanks everyone for bonding. I know that I am not the cutest ever Malamute,
Okay.
so I fully appreciate the fact that
That they stuck around?
That you decided to be here today, and that we spent this time together.
Yeah.
And we'll see you on Monday. Later.